Polo, back with another vlog. Right now we're in Tokyo, and today I'm gonna try to go lift jumping. Before that, I want to stop by the shrine that's like super close to my hotel from the anime movie called Your Name. It's like one of the most famous anime movies ever. And get some food on the way. Let's go. I just did the little staircase from the movie Your Name. Listen to the theme song for that movie right now. I'm so corny. If you haven't watched that movie, go watch it. 90 degrees and humid. I can't even walk 10 minutes without like sweating my ass off. So I got hella food from the gas station. Gas stations are lit here. Hella good food.
What do you mean, drill?
I think I'm going the right way, but it did start literally like lightning storming, and it's like 20 degrees colder. Like in Tokyo, it was 9 degrees, hella sunny, hella humid. Then here, it's not humid, it's like 70, and it's raining and lightning. So, I mean, I don't know if I'm a cliff jump, but I'm gonna definitely do something. I'm gonna go explore. There's like spiders, I saw like little animals and shit. By myself, with no GPS. A little sketchy, but I don't know, we're gonna keep going. Yo, dude, that's insane. That's the bridge I'm about to go to in a while. Bro, that's disgusting, dude. But we made it to the bridge, bruh. Peep the views from the bridge. We were way up there earlier. Only took like 10 minutes. And now we're gonna go down there. Let's go together, guys. Okay, so that's the trail we're at. That's the bridge we're at, I think. So I think we just go down there. Bro, what does that even mean, bro? You guys wanna run? All right, we're gonna run. Woo! All right, just eating a protein bar. Bro, Japanese protein bars, like I said, are amazing, bro. Fire. And then I mean one of these pancake Twinkie things. I don't even know, bro. Bro, I'm just chilling on the river. This is a popular like valley river. All right, so we're back at the station and we're gonna head back to the city. Chill little hike. I miss the city. Like the city of Tokyo is like legit my home. Kyoto was sick and like this is sick. But Tokyo is my spot. Alright, just made it to Shinjuku station. I was thinking about going home, call it a day, but I was like, bro, this is my first time in Shinjuku. There's hella food. And after the food, go to the Golden Gai to go to the night bars. I don't know, apparently it's crazy here. Just got some boba tea after Ichiran ramen. That ramen was the best ramen I ever had in my life. Swear to God, not lying. There's some pretty good peach oolong bubble tea. Ooh, what is that, bro? I don't even know. I'm at this restaurant called Jonathan's.
Get the phone. Call 911.
Kampai! Kampai, my boys! Yay! Kampai! This is my first time in Orion. I had the Asahi and I had the, what was the other one? Singha, shout out Boston, Thailand. Hey. Kampai! Kampai! I like Japanese gin. Hey, better than American gin. Wow. Way better, amazing, man. Yeah.
これからアリボイ工事で使ってもらって。
ありがとうございます。
Yeah. Shout out to Nipsey Hussle with this one, y'all.
went to the beach. Bae made a friend. Okay. So we just went to the beach, the Kamakura beach. It was beautiful. I drove down like all the beaches, and it was supposed to be like a typhoon, really stormy. But then today it just became super hot, super beautiful. And I just sat there and enjoyed the beach like a beautiful summer day, just like I should. And now I'm at the Kamakura Big Buddha.
Then I'm back set, ready to go, the road to go, it's so cold, so I gotta bundle up. Buddy, better get the fuck out of my way, this lane's taking up. Bitch, I'm racing away, no way, am I backing up? Shawty, back it up, dropping real low, getting brain on a plane, yeah, that's better roll. Never been...
Like and subscribe.